Sparks fly every time I identify species I have hitherto never seen in the field, seen in the feather. Spark bird destiny drew us together. Every smile line on my face can be retraced down to the split second, down to the split place. Is it magical thinking, or is it magical realism, or is it neither here nor there? Every time I check my wrist, it's another brand new freckle past another brand new hair. I'm growing up against my will. Will you finally resurrect the time I've killed? Will you finally resurrect the time I've killed? Sparks fly every time I visit this park. I envision the phantom of a giddy little cartoon me, jittering on the electrifying cusp of discovery. Before and after the storm, all I wanted was to be seen and